Good afternoon, students. So here I am again with this book, My English Reader. Earlier we had done the first chapter of Unit 1, that was your True Friends. So this is sports, and this was a chapter which we did. Now the same unit and the second chapter, that is Mix Up at Birth. So given below are the pictures of some famous sports persons. Recognize them and write their names in the space provided. Recognize means to remember. So you have to remember who are these all. So here it's given. The first picture is Mr. Narayan. Second is Miss P.T. Usha. Third is Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. And fourth is Mr. Vikram Anand. So here B2. How different would your life have been if you were born in a different family? Say in a different state or a different country. Read to find out what happened when Sunil Gavaskar got mixed up at birth. First, I'm going to take up this question. How different would your life have been if you were born in a different family? Of course, we are a product of our family. Whatever kind of a family we are brought up in, it makes a lot of difference. What kind of a place we are living in, what kind of a society we are living in, what kind of a country we are living in. And we are so blessed, we are so fortunate that we are living in such a traditional and such a valuable country, and we should be proud to be called Indians because we carry forward other rituals, the values throughout history we can see. So it really matters what kind of a contribution your country gives to you, what kind of contributions your family give to you. They all play a major role in your life. So now mix up at birth. So this is basically a chapter that is based on how mix up means mil jana. So how these two children got mixed up at birth. I may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if my uncle, Mr. Narayan Masuvekar, had not come into my life the day I was born. So this book is written by Sunil Gavaskar, and he's writing that I may never have been a cricketer. Why? Because this incident that happened in his life when he was born, and his uncle, whose name was Mr. Narayan Masuvekar, had not come into my life the day I was born, July 10th, 1949. So this is the major thing about this chapter. What had happened? What incident happened in his life? So here we'll read. It seems that Nan Kaka, as I call him now, in their regional language they call their uncle Nan Kaka. So as I call him, who had come to see me in the hospital of my first day in this world, noticed a little hole near the top of my left ear lobe. So now, when his Nan Kaka visited his mother to see him, he was born. Sunil Gavaskar was born, and when he went to see him the first day, this man Narayan Masuvekar, who was his uncle, noticed that this boy who was born had a little hole near the top of my left ear lobe. Now the meaning of these two words which I have taken is, first is your seams. So the meaning of seams is looked alike. And earlobe. So the meaning of earlobe is, it is a soft, rounded, fleshy part hanging from the lower margin of the ear. These word meanings I am going to share in the link also. So here he what did he see? He see that there was a kind of a small rounded fleshy part that was hanging to his ear. The next day he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib Crib is what? Crib is basically your cradle, or maybe you can call it as a child's bed. So crib is cradle, or maybe a child's bed. So when next day again uncle came to, visit him and see him, so what did he notice? He noticed that uh, baby lying in the crib next to my mother. To his utter horror, to his complete fear, what he noticed, he discovered that the baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. Now, this happened that the previous day, the baby which he had visited had this earlobe, this soft, round, fleshy part was hanging from the left earlobe, and the next day, the earlobe was different. I mean, the hole was not there on his left earlobe. So here you can see the meaning of utter is complete, horror is fear, and discovered is found. What did he discover? He discovered to his complete fear that the baby was not the same. A frantic search. Frantic is mad, जिसको हम बोलते हैं पागलों की तरह, right? So a frantic search was made, and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisher woman, totally ignorant. Ignorant is unaware of the commotion. Commotion is disturbance. You can see here the meaning of frantic is mad, ignorant is unaware, and commotion is disturbance. So now the child was very unaware, because you can see when the child is born, every child looks like same. They don't have any kind of name at that time, any kind of signs at that time. But thankfully his uncle noticed that the earlobe on the left ear was not there, and the hole was not there. So there was a frantic search that maybe the children are mixed up, they are exchanged. So I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman, totally ignorant of the commotion. Why? Because he was very, very small, he was just a born baby. He had caused actually. So very, very funny here. He had caused a frantic search for him, because his uncle knew that the boys are now mixed up. They are totally exchanged from each other. And how it happened? The mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. Now, when they had given the bath to the babies, at that very moment, they were exchanged. So, Sunil Gavaskar was basically exchanged in his childhood. When he was born, he was exchanged with a fisherwoman's son. So, this is the initial of this chapter. Today, this much I'm going to take up. These word meanings I'm going to share in the link of WhatsApp. And please, again, I am giving you a suggestion. Take it as a suggestion, advice from me, that it's not that just you look at the videos and just go through, you write in your copies and whatever you're doing. It's like you should revise the chapter. So I'm also going to share the link of these 2 pages, and you have to read them, because reading is very, very, very important. Okay, so have a nice day, and take care. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.